speed it up a little bit. How quick it's panning. At 14 hertz. Save that, save that. Can't remember what these were here. Oh yeah. Sounds nice when they're panning across like that. Back to it again. Audio 7. Classic LFO. Classic LFO on Audio 7. And we want this classic LFO to modulate that pan. Now you got to go back to the pan now. That's where are we? There. Audio 7. Set it back to normal. Really pan it. Come down to the speed. Oh, I'm away from the mic here, by the way. I'm looking like that now. Yeah, so I've got to stay by the mic here. Yeah, keep forgetting. You're going like that. Right. Okay, so speed. 1 hertz at the moment. Let's bring it down. Nice, I just panning across there. Control and S, save that. And all these are the same here, aren't they? That's playing that, that's the same. I'm sure about that. I'm not sure about that drum machine sound there. Stop that. We got a kick here. Yeah, it's in the same key as well. I remember doing that now. It's tuned to the key, yeah. That sounds awesome, that does. Negative 1 dB on the kick. Yep. Pigments. What was pigments? What was the sequence like on that? Like pass round again. 2, 2, 3, 4. That sounds nice, that does. Let's start ferging up Neferton, the classic 808 clone. Need to tilt this a little bit more that way, I think. Finding I'm getting like that now. Yeah. That's better. Fade up Neferton 2. That sounds awesome. That rim shot with the reverb on it there now. That sounds really nice, that. I like that. That's everything going on that track. That sounds pretty good. But we have got phase plant at the top here. What was that playing? Phase plant. Oh, we're clipping there. Fucking hell. All clipping. Be sure. Fade down that kick. That sounds really good. I'm impressed with that one. Fade everything out. But the good thing about this Keylab 49 is when you click a track, the last fader on the controller here is automatically assigned to that track, so you haven't got to keep looking where tracks are using these. Bit weird, like, you know. But the only thing you got to be careful of is that it doesn't jump. The fader doesn't jump, but yeah. Got audio 2 now, see we're all the way down on the fader, but the volume on audio 2 on the door is up. So yeah, it's a bit weird. Like now it's how's that going to do? It's pushed it up a little bit. It's just like more steppy as it fades down to compensate for it, like. But yeah, that was a good little jump there. Yeah, it's stepping down slowly, like, but it's alright, it's cool, it's cool. That sounds awesome. Not fading that one down. There we go, it was that one there. Ambient riff. Does sound awesome, that does. Let's have a quick look at what it is. I think it's just it's going in reverse, whatever it is. It's playing backwards, I'm sure it is. Yeah, that's... Yeah, it was that, I know what that was, yeah. Yeah, I'll listen to it now, folks. Yeah. It was a sample. Just manipulated it loads. Well, I do think it sounds better going backwards. So let's click the sample again. That's going forwards. Now we're going to reverse it. There you go. It sounds awesome going backwards, yeah. Do like that. Anyway, let's fade it all down. And check the files, see what they sound like. Stop it there at that. Yeah, that sounded pretty good, that jam did. I was into that one. Yeah. But now, the moment of truth. Let's see what it all sounds like together. With me and the mic going and the door was going, and yeah, I'm going to stop the door. One of the tracks was still not quite faded down right, but there you go. Okay, come back to OBS and we will start recording.